Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to reset Schlage lock without code, regain access and factory reset step-by-step guide. To reset a Schlage lock without the programming code, you must perform a factory reset using the physical buttons or the reset button on the inside assembly. This completely erases all the custom codes and restores the original factory codes. Method 1. The standard reset method. Keypad/touchscreen models. This method works for most standard keypad and touchscreen models like the BE375, Connect and Touch. Step 1. Locate your default codes. First, find your factory preset 6-digit programming code and 4-digit user codes. These are typically printed on a sticker on the back of the keypad assembly or on the white/yellow label inside your user manual. Step 2. Disconnect the battery. Remove the interior cover to expose the battery and disconnect the battery cable. Step 3. Clear residual power. Then press and release the outside Schlage button 2 to 3 times. Step 4. Reconnect and hold. Now reconnect the battery. Within 10 seconds, press and hold the Schlage button. Step 5. Confirm. Then continue holding until the indicator light turns green and the lock emits a long beep. Step 6. Reprogram. Once reset, you can use the default 6-digit programming code found in Step 1 to reprogram the lock with new user codes. Method 2. The physical reset button method. Smart, Slash, and code models. If you have a smart model like the Schlage Encode or Sense, they typically feature a dedicated reset button. Step 1. Access the interior. First, remove the battery cover on the inside of your door. Step 2. Locate the reset button. Then find the small, circular, black reset button, usually next to the thumb turn on the right side. Step 3. Press and hold. Then press and hold the button. The LED light will start flashing red. Keep holding it until the flashing stops and the LED turns solid blue. Step 4. Auto handing. Once reset, the lock will automatically begin a self-test called auto handing. Wait for this process to complete before using the lock. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.